How to delete your CashApp account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to delete your CashApp account. So as the application is not available in my country, I will simply show you from an example. So before actually trying to deleting your account for permanently, just tap on this bottom left of your screen, which is the navigation bar, where usually your remaining balance is shown or current balance is shown. So just tap on that and just tap on withdraw to make sure you withdraw every single balance, so that there is $0 left on your account, because then only we will be able to disclose or just simply delete the account permanently. And then now just tap on this top right corner, that is your profile icon, and once you tap on that, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is support. Simply select it, and from the search bar simply search in for close account and just choose the first option over here. So you just have to follow the rules, that is closing your CashApp account will disable your cash tag and prevent payment from being received and sign you out of all of your session. So as I mentioned previously, you need to make sure that you don't have any cash left on your account, and even if there's Bitcoin or stock holdings, you just have to resolve them. And once you have done so, you can return to this screen and just close this account by simply clicking on confirm. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.